Looking for a highly equipped SUV with superior functionality and reliability? You've come to the right place. Take a look at this 2020 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude 4x4 in granite crystal. With BI-XENON HID headlamps, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, dark lens tail lamps, gloss black Jeep badging, single exhaust with bright tips, remote start system, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, instrument cluster with off-road display pages, 8.4-inch display, navigation, park view rear backup camera, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, QUADRA-TRAC 4-wheel drive system, active noise control system, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com. Stock number 3142B.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles. The smart choice. Factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.